How to check login activity on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can check login activity on Snapchat. Now to check your login activity on Snapchat is quite simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat account application, and once you open up your Snapchat application, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you don't scroll down all the way down below, and there you'll find the option here under the blocked option. You can see the option that says save login info. Simply tap on it and you'll find every single logged in devices here and the logged in time and date as well. So here you'll be able to see your login activity. If you want, you can remove the device by tapping on the minus icon there at the left hand side of every devices that is logged in, your account is logged in on. So once you do so, minus out, you want to confirm the logout and the account will be logged out from that device. So this way you can check login activity on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.